How to crop an image in Figma. To do this, I have to select my image and I want to hold down Control, and now I can crop out this sky here. You want to hold down Control because if you don't do that and just try to drag it down like this, it will again do that, but it will also refit the image into the frame. And that's because the image is set to fill our shape, which we have selected. And we can change this by going to the right hand side here on the fill section, and you go to image, and here where it says fill, we can choose fit, for example. And what that will do, it will fit the image to the frame without actually having to fill the whole frame. So I can go like this or up like that, and it will fill the frame to what I have selected without actually filling out the whole frame. Something else we can do is we can go back here and we can choose crop. This was basically what holding down the Control key is doing as a shortcut to doing all this. So if you go to crop, you can see I can just drag it in like this. It will crop the image to the section I've selected. It's just a lot easier to just hold down Control and do this manually without having to go into this option. And the last one is tile, which you won't be using that often. It's just not that useful in this case. So you want to stick to fill or fit usually, and you just change the crop by holding down Control and dragging it out like this. You can also make it bigger if you want. And that's how you crop an image in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.